Hello dear students, how are you all today? This is Ashar Khan from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, and today we'll be learning the last topic of our chapter Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. I hope you have already gone through the two earlier videos that we have sent to you. In this chapter we'll be learning about the last topic of this chapter, so open your books on page number 61, which is the Nazi worldview. Okay, in this one we'll be learning about youth in Nazi Germany and the Holocaust. Okay, up until now we have learned about both the world wars. We have learned about the first and the second world war, which countries fought and which countries won in that. Okay, we also learned about Germany and Hitler. Now we'll learn in this particular video, we'll learn about what did Hitler do bad. Hitler ने ऐसा क्या गलत काम किए थे जिससे कि उसको इतनी नफरत मिलती है, why he gets so much hate from everyone. Okay, now the Nazi worldview, we will discuss how the Nazi used to think about. See, according to the Nazi ideology, there was no equality between people, but only a racial hierarchy. Underline this in your book on page 61. The paragraph is the Nazi worldview. Okay, you will find this line there. What does this mean? Nazi ideology means the followers of Hitler, those who used to support Hitler. What was their ideology, their thinking? There was no equality between people, means the people were not treated equally. But only a racial hierarchy, means people were divided on their race. In their view, blonde means golden hair, blue-eyed, Nordic German Aryans were at the top, means people, the German people who had blonde hair, means golden hair and light blue and green eyes, they were supposed to be called the Nordic German Aryans. Hitler called them the perfect race. While Jews were at the lowest and the people who were on the bottom one were the Jews. And all the other races, all the other people were placed between them. So on the top we had the Nordic German Aryans and on the bottom we had the Jews. Now who were the Jews? Jews are the people who follow the religion of Judaism. Means there is a religion called Judaism and people who follow that religions are called Jews. Hitler saw them as the anti-race and the arch enemies of the Aryans. Now Jews have dark eyes and dark brown or black hair, which Hitler did not like. He called them the anti-race. Nordic Aryans, he called them the perfect race, but Jews he called them anti-race and the arch enemies of Aryans, means Aryans ke dushman. Hitler hated all the other races except those of the Aryans, whom he considered as the supreme race. Hitler बाकी जितनी भी रेस थी लोगों से नफरत करता था except the Aryans, means people with blonde, blue-eyed and German race. Okay, now let us move on. Once in power, the Nazis began working for a racial community of pure Germans. Now, once Nazi party got a lot of supporters, they began working for a community, a different society. What was that called? A racial community, means a society based on race. And how did they do so? By physically eliminating all those who were seen as undesirables. Now, all those peoples who Hitler did not like, जितने भी लोगों को Hitler पसंद नहीं करता था, those people were called as undesirables. Okay, apart from Jews, now Jews were undesirable. Jews के अलावा और कौन-कौन से लोग थे? Gypsies. Gypsies is also a community, and blacks, people with the skin color of black, were also classified as undesirables. Okay, even Russians, people from Russia, and Poles, means the citizen of Poland, were not treated well. These were the people whom Hitler classified as undesirable. Underline this in your book under the paragraph the Nazi worldview. Okay, even those Germans who were physically or mentally handicapped were seen as impure. Now Hitler's hatred did not stop here only. Even those Germans, those blue eye and blonde hair people who were physically handicapped, means who could not walk properly or had one arm because of birth deformity or another, or mentally handicapped, means people with mental disability, Hitler also saw them as impure. But Jews remained the worst sufferers in Nazi Germany. But the people who suffered the most in Nazi Germany were the Jews. Okay, I hope यहाँ तक clear है सभी को. Let's move on. Now, the racial utopia. We come to this paragraph. Under the shadow of the Second World War, means जब Second World War चल रहा था, when Hitler was busy fighting the Second World War, Nazis were also operating a second objective. What was that? Nazi started prosecuting and killing the undesirable. See, this was the thing that Hitler and his supporter did. Those people जो उनको पसंद नहीं थे, the blacks, gypsies, Jews, उन्होंने उनको पकड़ के मारना शुरू कर दिया. Why? So that they can create a perfect society of light-eyed people. Hitler divided and occupied northwestern Poland. We already know that Hitler attacked Poland. And the Poles, people of Poland, were forced to leave their homes. उनको ज़बरदस्ती अपने घर छोड़ने पड़े, so that German citizens may live in them. Germans to live, so that German citizens can live in them. Okay? Come to the paragraph, youth in Nazi Germany. Now, Hitler began to work on the mind of the youth, means the small people, the children, and the youngsters. How so? All schools were cleansed and purified. सभी schools को cleansed और purified किया गया. यहाँ पे ये मतलब नहीं कि they were clean like all the other things are clean. No, it means Jews teachers were dismissed. All the teachers in the school who were Jews, who belonged to the Jewish community, they were dismissed. Jews, the physically handicapped, the children who were physically handicapped, and the gypsy students were thrown out of schools. उनको भी school से बाहर निकाल दिया गया. Means the hatred did not stop by the teachers only. Okay, teachers ही नहीं, students जो Jews थे, physically handicapped थे, gypsies थे, उनको भी हिटलर ने स्कूल से बाहर निकाल दिया. एंड दे वर लेटर सेंट टू द गैस चैम्बर्स. गैस चैम्बर्स वो जगह थी जहाँ पे उनको मारा जाता था बाय पॉइजनस गैसेस. Nazis started an ideological training for good German students. Now, the remaining students in school, जो अब बच्चे बचे, the blonde hair and blue-eyed students, they started teaching them to hate Jews. In their textbooks, see, school textbooks were rewritten. In their textbook, बच्चों को छोटी उम्र से ही क्या सिखाया जाने लगा? That you must hate Jews. That Jews are bad. Okay? Children were taught to be loyal. बच्चों को सिखाया गया to be loyal, to hate Jews and worship Hitler. Okay? शुरुआत से ही. At 14 years of age, all boys had to join the Nazi youth organization. At 14 years of age in Nazi Germany, okay, children had to join the Nazi youth organization where they learned to worship war and violence, जहाँ पे उनको लड़ाई सिखाई जाती थी. See how bad Hitler was. When children were supposed to play, he was teaching them how to fight. And after the age of 18, they had to serve in the armed forces and enter in the Nazi party. And when the boys at the age of 18, they had to serve in the armed forces, means they had to enroll in the army and enter in the Nazi party, whether they want to or not. It was compulsory. If you were not in the Nazi party, then you were seen as against Hitler and other people would attack you. Now, the Nazi cult of motherhood. Come to this paragraph. Underline this once. From the beginning, boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine and steel-hearted. शुरुआत से ही जो boys थे उनको क्या सिखाया गया? To be aggressive, to learn to fight, to be very aggressive. Girls had to become good mothers, and now what were the girls were taught? लड़कियों को क्या सिखाया गया? That you have to become good mothers and rear means give birth to pure-blooded Aryan children. Okay? At one side, boys were taught to be very aggressive and warlike, and girls were taught to be good mothers. And in Nazi Germany, all women were not treated equally. Underline this in your books as well, that not all women were treated equally. Women who gave birth to racially desirable children were awarded various awards. Now those women who gave birth to beautiful children, those children who Hitler called beautiful, you know, golden hair and blue-green eyes, they were given awards. But those mothers who produced racially undesirable children, means children whose skin color was dark, eyes were dark or dark hair, they were punished. Okay? Now, women who didn't follow the prescribed code of conduct were severely punished. Now, those women who had relationships with the Jews or the people who were called undesirables, they were punished. Germans were not allowed to have any relationships with the Jews, means you cannot be friends with Jews, you cannot go to their shops and purchase things. You were supposed to oppose Jews in every way. Okay? Then in the beginning we saw कि जो Jews की shops थी, जो Jewish shops थी, लोगों ने वहाँ पे पत्थर फेंकना भी शुरू कर दिया था. Why? Just so that they could support Hitler. Okay? Now, genocide. I told you what does genocide means. Genocide means to kill at a very large amount of people. When all those people, innocent people are killed, that is called genocide. And that is exactly what Hitler did. Mass killings of Jews became very common in Nazi Germany. Now I told you that Hitlers को जो Jews थे वो पसंद नहीं थे, तो उन्होंने हिटलर ने क्या करा, नाजी पार्टी ने क्या करा, they started prosecuting them. उन्होंने सभी Jews को पकड़ के concentration camps में भेजना शुरू करा, where they used to live like in a very bad situation. वहाँ पे उनको खाना नहीं मिलता था, they were not given foods, proper clothes or even medicines if they became ill. And then after when they were very weak, जब वो बहुत कमज़ोर पड़ जाते, then they were killed. Now, these killings of Jews became very common in Nazi Germany. Jews were taken to the concentration camps where Jews were killed. Like Auschwitz. Auschwitz is an example of a concentration camp and were treated very harshly. Okay? Special gas chambers were built for the final solution. In Nazi documents, you won't see the terms killing mentioned at all. You will see final dissolution, disinfecting, like Jews were supposed to be pests or rats. Jews were taken inside the chambers where they were killed by poisonous gases. तो जो Jews थे, जो Jewish people थे, उनको gas chambers के अंदर ले जाया जाता और poisonous gas से उनको मार दिया जाता. Now see how many people did Hitler kill. He killed 6 million Jews, okay, 200,000 Gypsies and 1 million Polish and 70,000 Germans who were considered racially undesirable. These are the amount of people who were killed. इतने सारे लोग थे जिनको हिटलर और उसकी नाजी पार्टी के लोगों ने मिलकर मार दिया by the use of poisonous gases. That is why in the other video I told you that Nazi and even Hitler killed himself. Why? Because he knew that killing so many people, he will be given punishment by other countries. So to escape that punishment, he killed himself in the end, ताकि दूसरे देश उसको punish ना कर पाएं. Now, come to the paragraph, the art of propaganda. I told you what is propaganda. Propaganda means when the media portrays a particular message to target one community. Okay. Now, Nazi ideas. किस तरीके से Nazi ideas फैले? They were spread through visual images, films, radio, posters, slogans and pamphlets. Nazi ideas में क्या बताया गया था? That Jews are bad and Jews are supposed to be hated. तो posters, films, radios इन सब की मदद से उस hatred को बढ़ाया गया, उस नफरत को बढ़ाया. In those, enemies of the German empires were shown as bad and evil. In posters में जो German empire के enemies थे, means Jews, blacks, gypsies, उनको bad और evil बताया गया. Propaganda films were made to create hatred for Jews. ऐसी movies बनाई गई जिसमें Jews को बहुत ही negative तरीके से दिखाया गया था. And the most infamous film was The Eternal Jew. Underline this in your book that the most infamous film was The Eternal Jew. Nazism worked on the minds of people. Nazism ने लोगों के mind पे असर डाला. It tapped their emotions and turned their hatred and anger at those marked as undesirable. Now people actually began to hate the Jews. They used to think that Jews are bad. Why? Because सारी media जो थी, images थी, films थी, radios थे, वो यही message भेज रहे थे that Jews are bad and evil. Okay, I hope it's all clear. Now ordinary people. What did ordinary people do? Many people were influenced by the idea of Nazi party. कई लोगों को नाजी पार्टी का जो आइडिया था, they really liked it. They believed, उनको वाकई में believe था. Why? Because I told you that Hitler was a very powerful speaker. He had a very new way of politics. They believed. Now Hitler made them all believe. Hitler ने उनको विश्वास करवाया that Nazism would bring prosperity and improve general well-being. That if you support the Nazi party, if you support the idea of Nazism, then Germany will have prosperity and everyone's well-being will be improved. But not every German was a Nazi. You should learn this, that not every German citizen was a supporter of Hitler or Nazi. Majority of them were passive onlookers and could not openly oppose Hitler or his Nazi party. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग थे जो हिटलर को openly oppose नहीं कर सकते थे. क्यों? अगर वो हिटलर के खिलाफ जाते, then their families will also be attacked, right? They could lose their jobs as well because Nazi party at that time was very, very popular. Okay? The Holocaust. What is the Holocaust? Let us learn. This is the last paragraph of this chapter. The entire process of these Nazi killing operations is termed as the Holocaust. तो ये पूरा जो ऑपरेशन था, पूरा जो टाइम रहा जहाँ पे Jews को मारा गया, that is called the Holocaust. Jews collected and preserved documents. Now when they were in the concentration camps, okay, what did they do? They preserved documents, wrote diaries, उन्होंने diaries लिखी, kept notebooks. Even they also wrote notebooks. What did they write? Their daily account, how they were treated, what they were given to eat, how they were taken inside the gas chambers and killed. and they created archives so that one day someone will read these and know what happened to them. Why did they write all this? So that one day their documents, their diaries and notebooks will get discovered and people will learn that how much they suffered. You must have heard of the book The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Anne Frank was also a Jewish who was hiding during the Second World War. Okay, you can read it. Jews wanted the world to remember the atrocities and sufferings they had to go through during the Nazi killing operation. They wanted that the world should remember that हमारे साथ इतना बुरा हुआ है तो बाकी की दुनिया है उसको याद रहे. Okay, children, this is it for this chapter. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all understood. And if not, if you have any doubts regarding these topics or the topics covered earlier in our previous videos, then we'll solve them in our live doubt class. Okay, I hope you are well.